Saving money isn't always easy, but hitting milestones can make a huge difference. Today, we're talking about the incredible impact of saving $10,000. It's more than just a number. It's a game changer for your financial life. Picture this: an unexpected medical bill, a car repair out of the blue, or even losing your job. These situations are stressful enough, but without savings, they can spiral into debt and serious anxiety. Having $10,000 in the bank acts like a safety net. It gives you breathing room to handle emergencies without relying on credit cards or loans. This financial stability translates directly into peace of mind. You'll sleep better knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Saving also boosts your creditworthiness. It shows lenders you're responsible with money, which translates to a higher credit score. This opens doors to better interest rates on loans and credit cards. Imagine how much you'd save on a mortgage or car loan with a lower rate. Plus, a good credit score can lead to higher credit limits, giving you more financial flexibility. With $10,000, you can start investing and grow your money even faster. Diversification is key here. Spread your investments across different areas like stocks, bonds, and even real estate. This reduces risk and increases your chances of earning good returns. You could buy shares in solid companies or invest in bonds for steady income. The possibilities are endless. A $10,000 emergency fund covers those unexpected costs that always seem to pop up. Medical bills, car repairs, home maintenance, these things can happen to anyone. Having this fund means you won't have to dip into your other savings or investments, keeping your long-term goals on track. It's like having an insurance policy for your financial life. The journey to saving $10,000 teaches you a lot about managing money. You'll become a budgeting pro, tracking your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. You'll start thinking more carefully about your purchases, prioritizing what truly matters. These habits stick with you long after you hit your goal, setting you up for a lifetime of financial success. Imagine the freedom to make choices without constantly worrying about money. With $10,000 saved, you can explore new career paths, invest in a business idea, or even take that dream vacation. You won't be living paycheck to paycheck, and you'll have the flexibility to seize unexpected opportunities.